Hi boys and girls, we're going to do our math lesson and we're going to start by counting from 0 to 10 frontwards and backwards. You ready? Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And let's go backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to make a really interesting design. And we're going to do that by matching up some digits with the words for the numbers. And then we're going to cross it right through some groups of objects that represent that number. So we can see here there's one dot. I see one dot right there. There's two dots here, three dots, a group of three dots here, four there, and they're kind of in random order, random arrangement, but they're groups of objects of little dots that represents numbers. How about this one? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's why it's right next to the word 8. So the first one is 0. And if I look over here, the word that matches it is right here, 0. And there's nothing here. Now I'm not going to put any line there because there's nothing to put it through, but the line would go straight across. Now let's watch how the design takes place. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and go with red. I like a nice red color. And now let's go to 1. And where's one dot? There's one dot. And where's the word 1? There it is right there. Let's take it from the digit here, all the way through that to 1. All right. Now number 2. Let's get number 2. Take it through 2. 1, 2, all the way to the word 2. There we go. And 3, let's take it from the numeral 3, all the way through 3 to the word 3. Matches all the way up. Okay, 4. Let's get 4. Go up, 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 up. Through that group of 4 dots up to the word 4. You see the design start taking shape? Kind of start to see it. Next, here's 5, all the way through 5, that area with 5 dots to the word 5. Now, how about this? 6. How about we go all the way up to this one? Does that make sense? No, that word is 8, and then there's 8 dots. So let's go to where 6 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's the word 6, and it matches up. Good. Okay, number 7. Up. Is there 7 dots right there? Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes! And there is the number 7, the word 7. 8, let's go 8, all the way through those 8. And remember, there's 8 there. We put it up to the word 8, and it matches up. Look at that design taking shape. Here comes 9. You ready? All the way up to 9. And then 10. Straight up. Let's cross through that 10 area. Up to the word 10. Awesome. Do you see the design? Kind of a cool design, right? It's like a design in space. So I'm going to finish this drawing. And I'm going to put a full moon. Yeah, let's put some stars. Let's see here. I'm going to put, how about some red stars? Yeah, I think you're right. Oops, that's still the circle. Let me go back to where, there we go. Take that off. Put some stars. Yeah, what else needs to happen? What else do we need to have in space? How about a shooting star? I'm gonna put a few more stars here. How about a shooting star, one big one? Maybe a comet. Something like that. There we go. All right, boys and girls, thank you for counting with me. We made a nice design together.